In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Claude. Whether you're using a web browser, the desktop app, or the mobile app, the process is straightforward. Claude provides two convenient options to log in, using Google Sign-In or a passwordless email login. This approach enhances security by eliminating the need for traditional passwords. Let's start with logging in using Google. First, open your web browser and navigate to the website by typing in claude.ai. Alternatively, you can launch the Claude app if you have it installed. You'll see an option that says Continue with Google. Go ahead and click or tap on that. It's a simple step, but crucial as it initiates the Google sign-in process. Now you will need to select your Google account. If you're already signed into Google, you'll see your account listed. Choose the correct account linked to your Claude profile. If not signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google credentials. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct account to avoid any access issues. Once you've selected your Google account, complete Google's sign-in process. This may include entering your password or going through a two-step verification if you have it enabled. This step is vital as it ensures that only authorized users can access your Claude account. After completing this process, you'll be signed into Claude, ready to explore its features. Now, let's move on to logging in using your email. Begin by going to Claude, just like we did before. Enter the email address associated with your Claude account. This should be the same email you used when signing up or the one linked to your Google account if you opted for email login initially. Next up, click on Continue with Email. This action triggers an email to be sent to your inbox. The email will be titled Secure Link to Log in to Claude.ai. It's always a good idea to check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox right away. Once you have the email, click the secure login link provided. If you open the email on the same device where you initiated the login, you'll be signed in automatically. This seamless transition makes the process quick and efficient. However, if you opened it on a different device, there's an additional step. You'll receive a verification code in the email. Enter this code on the device where you initially requested the login. This extra layer of verification ensures the security of your account, protecting it from unauthorized access. With that ready, you've successfully logged into Claude using your preferred method. Remember, this streamlined process is designed to maintain the security of your account while providing you with easy access. Whether you're using Google or your email, each step is crafted to ensure that your login experience is both secure and user-friendly. That's all it takes to log into Claude. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and simple. Feel free to revisit the video if you need a refresher. Enjoy exploring Claude and all the features it offers.